Hello YouTube friends, back again, cast iron cooking. Two 10-inch large skillets, 3.5 inches deep, 2 inches deep or so, fried cornbread, cabbage, potatoes, onion, butter, all fried up together. White cornmeal, yellow cornmeal, a little bit of flour, egg. Cornbread doesn't look so pretty, trying to fall apart. When I flipped it, it'll be good. Got some whiskey aging with bourbon essence flavor in it. 3-liter barrel, 5-liter barrel. Jim Beam glass as a birthday present with a metal flask in it. Beer stein, birthday present. Cast iron cooking on 2 hot plates. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with something else. About ready to start doing some camping, truck camping, fishing, camp cooking, Coleman stove, talking on amateur radio. I'll be doing something. Y'all have a good day now.